In this video, I want to show you how to use Eland Jamaica, which is created by the National Land Agency of Jamaica. So what we want to do is head over to the search engine Google, type in Eland Jamaica or National Land Agency. As you can see, National Land Agency website populates. Click here to continue. Once again, click here to continue to the map. Now the map is going to populate. So as we see here, we want to go to the top right where the magnifying glass is. And if you know the volume and folio number of the property, you can type it in. I'm typing in 1429/100. Click search. And here we are, populated some information in regards to what is registered. Once you click on buy, you can see all the options that's available and registered to this property. In this case, we're going to search for the title. Click on title, add to cart, and it populates in your cart as you can see on the top right. Now we're going to go back to the search engine and we're going to click over to parcel, because now we want to actually find the parcel of land with the information that it provides. So now once again, we type in the folio and valuation number, and it's actually going to bring you to the lot. So this website is so powerful. If you know the folio number but you don't know where the land is in Jamaica for that instance, this will help you navigate very swiftly. So as you can see, it highlighted the property in blue, and on the left you can see the information about the property. You can also go over to the blue navigation menu on the side and you'll see the different options of how you want to view the map. I like to view it in imagery or hybrid mode, especially when navigating the lands looking for a particular lot, because this helps you navigate the roads and the landmarks and things like that to narrow down your search. If you don't know the folio number, valuation number, good navigation skills. Another option, like now you don't know the folio number, valuation number, but you know where the land is. You zoom in on the property. As you can see, I'm zooming in. And as you zoom in, it starts to give you the borderlines of that lot. And let's see, I'm going to click here. It highlights it blue. And on the left, it shows you all the information once again of what's available to you. So you click the valuation roll number report and it adds it to the cart and so forth. So I'm just zooming out. So this tool, Eland Jamaica, once again is very valuable, and I hope you guys do utilize it. One thing with Eland Jamaica is you have to create an account to make your purchases. Creating an account is free. Like I said before, the title search costs $500 Jamaican, which is maybe about $4 Canadian. And you have to preload the account before you make a payment. So if you want to take money off your Visa debit card, you can do so, and it will put it on the Eland Jamaica account that you've created. I hope this video helped. Have a good day. Peace out.